Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to train a dimensionality reduction model on aicuflow in just under 5 minutes. So let's get started. So as always, the first step is to create a new flow. And one of the simplest ways to do this is to just use a pre-made template. So for that, you have to head to the node library, which is the plus icon, and then switch over to the templates tab. The first one is the AI training flow, so just click on it. And now using the different filter options, you can filter it for dimensionality reduction, which is right here. And then you can select one of these pre-made templates with the datasets from Kaggle, or you could import your custom dataset. For now, I'm just going to go ahead with the template, press on create flow. If you expand on the train AI model node, you'll see that you can tailor the setup and the input. For example, you could change the model that you want to use, or select or deselect some featured columns, as well as take a look at the advanced settings right here. And you could change the randomness or switch on hyperparameter tuning. So I'm going to leave it as it is for now and just save and close. And then click on the run flow button right here. This might take a few seconds, but you can see your live progress right here. And once the flow run is completed, you can preview the output right here. And that's it for now. Make sure to stay tuned for when we use this output and run inference on this model. Thanks for watching.